Hello everyone, welcome to another video on web storage, and in this video I will show you how you can connect your custom domain to makestorage.io website and host your web storage within a subdomain of your website. So if you are using Blogger, then you can host your web storage in a subdomain. So let's start the video. So about 8 days ago I make a video on how to create web storage in makestorage.io. So in this video I will explain about how to connect the custom domain. So if you have not watched the make storage video that I have published earlier, then you should check out this video first, then you can proceed to this video. So let's go to the make storage website, and let me just go to the home page first. And here you need to go to the domain setting here. So just click on domains here, and as you can see we have created a subdomain within the storage.site website, but we have to connect our own custom domain. So for this, what I can do is just click on add domain name here, and I will add my domain name. So in this case I will add my domain name like this. So here you don't need to add the www here, so just add a bare domain name like this, and let's set up the domain. Now you need to set up the subdomain. So here I will name the subdomain like web storage. So you can add any names here. So I have added a name like webstorage.techylib.in. So it basically create a subdomain within your website. So let's click on proceed here. Okay, now it will ask you to add the CNAME in your domain DNS settings. So as I am using the Cloudflare, then I can go to Cloudflare. And if you are using like Namecheap or GoDaddy, then the process will be the same. So in case of GoDaddy, you have to go to the manage DNS settings, and then you need to add a CNAME. So let me just go to the Cloudflare, and I will click on the DNS setting under the Cloudflare. Now I need to add a record. So I will click on add a record, and I will change the type to CNAME. Then I will copy the record. So let me just copy to clipboard, and I will add the name like this, and then I will go to again this website, and I will add the record value. So let's copy the record value here. Now let's add the record value in the targeted field. Now let's click on save changes. Okay, now our DNS record is added. So it may take some times, or it may take some hours to set up the subdomain in your website. So let's wait for some minutes. Now under the domain setting, you will see this option webstorage.website.com or website.in like that, and here you will see this option subdomain. So just click on here, and as you can see you will see this option like CNAME, name and value, and here you can apply for a SSL certificate. So let me just get SSL certificate here. So it is showing that SSL verification is failed because the DNS is not successfully connected yet. So we need to wait more time here. Alright guys, after some hours the CNAME is properly added to our Cloudflare, and as you can see there is a green tick mark in the subdomain, and when I click on here you will see the API and sitemap link. So you can just copy the sitemap link and go to the search console and add it to your search console. So let me just log into the search console from here. Now I will go to the sitemap here, and I will copy that sitemap from here, and I will paste that sitemap here, and I will submit the sitemap. So if you are using URL property, then you must create a domain property in search console and then add the sitemap like this, or you can also create a separate URL property on this subdomain. So let me just first publish the web storage from here. So I will just go to the storage here, and let me just click on view storage here. Now this is the web storage I have created using this tool. So let me just preview this first, and as you can see the web storage is loading properly, and as you can see there is a call to action button at the end. So in this way when someone click on the link, it will directly redirect to your article. So in this way you can get traffic from web storage to your website. So make sure to add call to action buttons in your web storage. So let's publish the web storage. So let me just click on publish as a web storage, and I will add the story title, add the story language, and you can add the name of your website. You can add the logo of your website and thumbnails. So we have discussed it in the first video, so let me just skip it. And here you need to select the options webstorage.website.com or website.in. so let me just publish this website and let's proceed. Now it will select the URL like this, so you can change the URL slot from here. So let's publish this. Okay, now the web storage is published. So let me just click on view web storage here, and as you can see, the web storage is now hosted in our own subdomain. And you can also copy the embedded code and paste it in your website. Now let's go to the editor. So let's go to the home page again, and here let's go to the domain here. And in this way you can add custom domain to your make storage website, and you can also integrate the AdSense. So let me just click on general setting here, and I will click on the advertisement setup. So let's click on the Google AdSense here. So you need to copy your custom domain. So let me just go to the domain again, and you need to copy this URL https://webstorage.techleap.in, and then you need to log into your AdSense dashboard. So let me just do it. Now you need to go to the add section, and under the add section you will see this option sites. So let's click on add site here, and you can paste that website link. So let me just copy the website link from here like this, and you can save and continue. So in this way you can apply for AdSense in your custom subdomain and add AdSense code in your web storage. So I hope this video helps you connect custom domain to your web storage and host it in a subdomain in your Blogger website. And if you are using WordPress, then you have already has a plugin that made by Google that you can use it and host your web storage within your WordPress website. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button. Thank you.